Check this ATF color, it's brown, it should be red. It means that probably it hasn't been changed for a very long time.
We're going to do some flush first.
Removing the sump was time consuming. Obviously I had to be careful not to damage the surface, because if the contact surface is scratched, we are going to have a leak.
This is our new filter. Don't forget to place the magnets.
I cleaned the contact surface, and this is the new gasket. You can make as well a liquid gasket, but I think the installation with this one is easier.
Don't forget new washer. And this use this line because the one after the radiator is this one. Comes here. So I think the fluid gets from the bottom and then goes out. So in that way I can flush whatever it is into the radiator.
Once you have finished, start the car, move the gear selector through all the gears, and go for a drive. Wait until the ATF is hot, and you can check the level on neutral on a flat surface. That's it. See you next time.